This is my new electric height adjustable standing desk. It's a dual motor sit or stand desk by the brand SIAGO. So this is super smooth when you are lifting it or lowering it, running at a 33 millimeters per second, as well as having a great load bearing capacity to it. So it can hold up to 240 pounds. So it definitely can hold my 2 monitors on it, which is how I'm planning to use it. So you just got to see, you do have to plug it in for when you're lifting or lowering it. It does light up, very easy to read. And here's just a nice 360 of it. It does have 2 cross beams on it as well, which is going to keep it very sturdy, and that kind of allows it to have that great weight bearing capacity on it. It does have a anti-scratch design coating on the top layer of it, and it is just like a very heavy duty made desk. I will say too, at the bottom there is some adjustable sliders. You can use those to make the ground a little bit more even, which is really handy, as well as it coming with a desk hook. Instead of 2, you've got a cup holder, as well as something to hold maybe your headphones. Definitely recommend it. Check it out.